Everyone, I'm here with another layout, and this one is, before I did a layout that was of my friend took the kids to the lake or springs, and I did it with the alligators. This one are the turtles, and this is actually the same exact turtle that showed up in our yard, and Alex wanted to keep it, my husband wanted to keep it as a pet, and I was like, I don't think that's a good idea. I'm like, that is not a turtle you keep for a pet. It is the Florida soft-shelled turtle, because we Googled it to see what they eat. And they eat, they were meat eaters, not plant eaters. So they eat fish, bugs, I guess. Alright, so my background is Heidi Swapp storyline chapters, and I'm going to use a couple different layers. Excuse me. Sorry. It's 10 o'clock and I'm hungry. Alright, so I'm going to use that black and white layer, which is Jen Hadfield's Hey Hello. I'm going to use this whole piece of, well, almost all of it. I do cut it a little bit more off. And then, of course, I ink the edges with my Tim Holtz. It's my brown one. It's not the T, it's, oh, Vintage Photo. I knew it would come to me. And then I realized, oops, I got it upside down. So I'm like, let me just glue it. I know how it's going to go. And then, of course, there's the, now would be a good time to scrapbook, because both Theo and Sabrina are out on the screen porch. That's where they spend their days. They go out there around 6:30, 7 o'clock. As soon as it gets light out, they go out, and they're just in and out, back and forth. So this one I'm going to cut, and then and this is the chevron on the other side that I usually cut from. And then I'm going to go get my border punch. I was going to do scissors, but I think I end up doing the border punch. Maybe I do my scissors. No, I don't. I do the border punch. Because I thought I had a small scallop, but I don't. Oh, maybe. Oh, guess I do use. Nope, I did use the scissors, and then I said, no, that's too small. You can't even see it. So then I go get my border punch. See? And I'm going to use it. Or not scallop, sorry. It's the, I don't know what that would be. It's not a zigzag, it's triangle. Almost looks like shark teeth. and that's going to be where my title goes. And my title is, oh yeah, the heart layer, I don't think I said, is Pink Paisley's Paige Evans, number 6 Bloom Street. And the small heart layer is Pink Paisley's Paige Evans 24 Bloom Street from February Kit. That's the chevron on the other side. And Sweet Spring and the butterflies are from American Crafts Flutter Thickers. And I am going to use a card for journaling cut from the Heidi Swap Storyline Chapters cut apart sheet, which is that floral circle there. And I'm going to find some die cuts. I'm trying to figure out, nope, not working, so I'm going to go ahead and commit to the card. And let's see here, those stickers are from Jen Hadfield. There's several sheets of them. They come in like a little flip book sort of thing. And then I'm going to use the flowers. And then Go Girl. And then, and I'm going to add that one too. But that one is a different Jen Hadfield sticker sheet. Kind of goes with her die cuts. But the stickers are slightly smaller. And then Hip Hip Hooray is American Crafts Hello Thickers. Turn down with these voiceovers. I need to work on my reading endorsement class modules. I got 1 and 2 done, almost 3. I just working on the last assignment in module 3, and then I got 4 and 5. I don't think there's too many in the other modules too. There's 2. Oh, I have 4 assignments. I would have 4 assignments left. Assessment plan. Yeah, so anyway. I'm trying to see what else I can use. So I want to put some flowers by the title. Put something over there. Since by the word spring, because spring means flowers. Ooh, my tummy's growling. And then those strips are just, that colorful striped one is branding strip, and the black and white is just, of course, a strip that's left over from cutting the larger piece down. And then I'm going to use Jen Hadfield's sticker sheet and sunglasses. And some plants, and then I'm going to use those hearts in the place of enamel dots. And I think once I do the hearts, that is all I do, unless I, oh yeah, that's right, I cut apart some of the chevron arrows. I keep wanting to say arrows. So I'm going to glue those down. The top one is going to point at the picture, and the bottom one points at Hip Hip Hooray. Because Hip Hip Hooray, it's spring. And my glue is clogging on me. And once I have those done, that is all I do. So thanks for watching, guys. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.